A recent Supreme Court judgment from April 2024 has brought back to the forefront the discussion on abortion laws in India. The landmark amendment in 2021 to the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act extended the legal limit of abortion from 20 to 24 weeks, but it fell short at establishing abortion on demand as an absolute right. This brings us back to April 2024 when the Supreme Court of India allowed a 14-year-old rape survivor to terminate the pregnancy at 28 weeks. The order said that continuation of pregnancy would impact negatively on the physical and mental well-being of the minor. Going back 2 months, the same court in February denied a 32-week pregnant widow's plea for abortion despite her severe mental trauma. Similarly, a month prior in January, the Rajasthan High Court had rejected a 11-year-old rape victim's plea for abortion at 31 weeks, citing the fetus's right to life. However, one should note that in the previous year, in August 2023, the Supreme Court had overturned a Gujarat High Court decision allowing a 25-year-old rape victim to terminate her pregnancy at 26 weeks. And this ruling had emphasized the trauma caused by such pregnancies and reaffirmed the need for bodily autonomy and freedom from forced pregnancy. This patchwork of conflicting judgments, resulting from the different interpretations and applications of law by different courts, leads us to the core issue of legal ambiguities and ethical dilemmas. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act of 1971 lacks clear guidelines on crucial aspects like fetal abnormalities and mental health risks, leading to wide-ranging interpretations by judges. This ambiguity creates a complex legal landscape, making it difficult for women to navigate their reproductive rights. In France, abortion is a constitutional right, providing women with strong legal protection and stable access to reproductive services. In contrast, India's Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, even with its 2021 amendment, remains unclear and inconsistent as witnessed by the jurisprudence. Procedural hurdles and societal stigma further complicate access to safe abortions. India's journey towards guaranteeing safe and accessible abortion services for all women requires legislative reforms and societal change. By prioritizing a rights-based approach that empowers women and respects their reproductive choice, India can move forward towards a future where safe and legal abortion is a guaranteed right, consistently upheld and protected by the law.